Hello, I've just made this model. It's for an art project. Basically, it's a lady robot. I think we thought it was a lady robot. And we haven't given it a name yet. We'll do in the next few days. And as you can see, the model is not amazing. I mean, if you're doing a computer game model, these lines would, this would be the same model and it'll all blend together. But in 3D printing, you can kind of get away with that, because any edges like that, it will kind of join it in a smoothish way, because there are no such things as razor sharp lines in real life, and that applies to the 3D printer as well when it prints stuff out like this. So that's the robot. What I did yesterday is just an update. So basically I wanted to find out what it was going to do, if it was going to mess up. Yeah. So this is a rough test print. So I went to my local Hackerspace in Edinburgh to test this out on an Ultimaker machine. I usually use Ultimakers. I mean, I used a lot of them in the Fablab, so I'm kind of familiar with them, and they're really good machines as well. And I went up layer by layer. Well, I didn't go up. The printer went up layer by layer. What I wanted to do is see if it was going to spaghetti, what I call spaghetti, and other people do as well. So when you get a print, if something goes wrong, it'll go like this, like that, and then the model might not print, or it will print another bit up there, and that sort of thing. So that's what I was worried about. So that's why I made this rough test fast print. The slow print, the high quality print, will be much better than this. So I'm going to talk about some areas that kind of messed up. So this area did here. The hands kind of messed up a bit. Nothing here really messed up. That's kind of messy, but I think in the final version that will be better. When you put it to a high quality print, it doesn't do that so much. These details are a bit woolly, a bit not very clear, but in the high quality print they should be okay. This mouth completely messed up, and again I think in the high quality print it should be okay. And the radar is a point of concern. To remedy some of these things like this, my opinion, if you've got any other ideas please say, what I do is that I get, say, this bit, which is the radar, and then I'll do an inflate command in your program, or in 3D Studio Max it's called push, so you can kind of make the model go on, bulk up on steroids as it were, and that's going to decrease the likelihood of something messing up like that, a thin piece of material going all over the place, like so. Now I'm going to take you to Cura. So this is the model in Cura. So I knew that they had an Ultimaker 2 in the Hackspace, so basically I set it up from my home. All I did was save the G code and then put it into the Ultimaker machine, no messing around on their computers. And here's the normal view, all set up. And then I'm going to go to layers just to show you what I looked for as it was printing, as I was setting it up. So it put a support here, so that's fair enough. The support got taken off quite easily. And as you can see, as I looked at that, I didn't really foresee any real problems. I mean, of course you could split this model up, but I want to actually sell this as one unit. And it's for a cool kind of art project as well. So there's going to be lots of these robots in a sort of interactive-y thing. So watch this space, or subscribe to my YouTube channel, my newsletter and stuff like that to get updates as well. You can also book a 10-minute free 10-minute free Skype session with me. No sales pressure. I like to talk to people, see what they're doing. If you want more lessons after that, that's fine. If not, no problem. So just get in touch about that. And comments and questions are always interesting for me. Speak later. Bye for now.